My name is Zoe Zabarczyk. I'm a sophomore and I'm from Sequim, Washington. Pretty much practiced like 3 or 4 times a week, and I played in 3 tournaments, 2 in Washington and 1 down in Texas. So it kind of helped me with like the competitive vibe spirit. I'm actually just going home for a week and then doing intersession, so I'm staying down here and practicing because there's like a few of us who are staying down here to practice and take a class. A tournament, I really try to, look up the course before we go and play it, and then kind of like look at yardages, see what's kind of like tough, and then a lot of short game, basically like 100 and in, and then qualifiers. Trying to just make sure that I'm in a good mood before I go out. Basically, try to stay positive. Balancing classes and studying and then practicing too. Kind of like, you need to make sure you're a student before you're like an athlete sort of thing. Just, you know, being on a team, being like competitive. Traveling is actually my favorite thing. Going to Hawaii, that was really fun. It was a blast. For me, probably just become like more consistent with my scoring, definitely get my numbers like consistently in the 70s, and just as a team, just kind of like all work together and just kind of support each other into becoming a better team. Probably knowing how much I can like push myself. Last year I didn't travel at all, and this fall I traveled to all the tournaments, so just over the summer just learning how far I can push myself to become like a better golfer. I like to work out, hang out with friends. It's not really a lot of free time. I wanted to become a dental hygienist, so hygiene school afterwards. I don't know, I'd probably play tennis because they have cute outfits. Jeez, probably self-motivated because it's helpful to have people motivate me, but I do a lot of it on my own.